100 kilopounds per centimeter. The bass strings are wound by experienced specialists according to the optimum physical values calculated by Seiler constructors. The instrument is then strung using machines specifically developed by Seiler. The rest pins used guarantee a compression strength of 90 kilograms per square millimeter. The skilled combination of man, machine, and material results in a particular good tunability and ensures the tightness of the rest pin in the rest plank over many decades. Subsequent tuning precision is ensured by the aging of the strings through pressure and warming. When new, the strings are tightened to normal frequencies. Parallel to the production of the sound body of a grand or upright piano, the housing or cabinet is produced. The first stages in this are the drying of the wood to 8% moisture, as well as the cutting thereof. From time immemorial, a pleasure to the eye has been a complement to a pleasure to the ear. This tradition is cultivated assiduously by Seiler. Cause for admiration are the fine, rare wood veneers and marquetry work from a wide selection of beautiful timbers, including walnut, mahogany, rosewood, cherry, oak, and yew. Well-lit halls for our specialist team of workers ensure optimal conditions for good work. The cooperation of first-class and experienced cabinet makers is a precondition for beauty and quality in the forming and construction of Seiler grand piano housings. It is only their manual dexterity which rounds off the finished instrument. Staining of the wood reflects the requirements of customers throughout the world. A wide variety of selected timbers and stylistically decorative elements complete Seiler's wide production palette. Meticulous alignment using precision machines ensures the accuracy and consistency in measurement prescribed by our constructors. In the production of a piano housing, many types of computer-controlled automatic machines play their part in order to help achieve the desired, favorable relationship between price and performance while maintaining the highest of standards. Despite the use of first-class machine, the human touch is imperative in the final stages in order to achieve the finest of finishes. The wood can be colored matched to a specific sample according to the customer requirements. The top coat is applied with no adverse effects on the environment, using the latest findings and standards both in automatic spraying and pouring procedures as well as in conventional hand spraying techniques. High investment justifies Seiler in being labeled a pioneer in the field of environmental protection. High-gloss surfaces are finished using procedures which have been specifically developed for this purpose. The finish bears witness to the immaculate quality of the finished product. A beautiful instrument also makes playing more enjoyable. Seiler uses a wide palette of different stylistically decorative elements to meet customers' individual tastes. Now the housing is assembled. It is connected with the sound body according to maximal precision requirements. The precision is necessary in order to allow installation of the keys and mechanical parts in the bearing elements of the housing. A steel frame specifically developed by Seiler permanently stabilizes the correct functioning of the mechanism. The keyboard is produced using the finest woods, such as fir or basswood, which have been subjected to a precision-monitored drying process. Automatic drilling and trimming machines ensure optimal precision. Subsequent finishing is done mainly by hand, using machines secondarily. With the bonding of the semitones together with a grinding and polishing, as well as a strict quality control of all individual parts, the keyboard is completed. The keyboard is now installed in the instruments by the piano maker. This is followed by the installation of the maintenance-free and totally silent pedal mechanism, the function of which, with a downward pressure of no more than 5 kilograms, guarantees piano players acute sensitivity. The next major production stage is the manufacturing of mechanical parts. computer-assisted high-tech automatic systems ensure optimal precision of all interrelating components. Approximately 6,000 parts are combined in one single mechanism. We can safely talk about a technical wonder. Because of strict working methods and controls, the adjustment of the mechanical parts in a Seiler piano or grand piano absorbs on an average of 1/5 of the total time spent by piano makers on one instrument, which by now comprises approximately 9,450 individual parts. The individual mechanical members are assembled by hand until the pre-assembled action can be installed into the instrument by the piano maker. The dampers are made of the finest wool material. Now the dampers are installed into the instrument. Here we see this procedure in the case of a piano, or, by way of a sharp contrast, a grand piano. High precision accuracy we here see executed guarantees the pianist a reliable acoustic reproduction on the high quality Seiler instruments. The mechanical parts are assembled manually by the piano maker according to Seiler's strict standards. And now a glance at the manufacture of the most important component in an